This is the Gaffer Power Adhesive Screen Repair Tape, a fiberglass mesh tape designed for quick and easy screen repairs. The manufacturer claims it's ideal for fixing holes and tears in window screens, screen doors, pool screens, RV screens, even tents. They emphasize the time and money-saving aspect, suggesting this tape is a great alternative to replacing entire screens. Let's see how it holds up. The application process is incredibly simple. Just cut the tape to the desired size and stick it directly onto the damaged area. No tools required, which is a big plus. The adhesive is supposed to be strong and weather-resistant, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. They also highlight its waterproof nature, claiming water won't penetrate the repaired area. The tape itself is made from fiberglass and is advertised as containing no hazardous substances. In my testing, I found the application to be as easy as advertised. Cutting and placing the tape was a breeze. The adhesive felt strong initially, and it adhered well to the screen material. I tested it on a window screen with a small tear and a larger hole in a screen door. The small tear was patched up perfectly, and the tape blended in reasonably well. The larger hole on the screen door, however, required a larger piece of tape, and while it held, it was more noticeable. Over time, especially with exposure to sun and rain, the adhesive on the larger patch began to peel slightly. For smaller repairs, this tape is definitely a convenient and effective solution. For larger tears or holes, it might work as a temporary fix, but I wouldn't expect it to last as long. Overall, the Gaffer Power Screen Repair Tape is a handy tool to have around for minor screen repairs. It's easy to use, and the adhesive is strong enough for small jobs. Just manage your expectations for larger repairs, and you'll likely be satisfied with the results.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.